Aloha! I'm the owner and chef instructor at Hawaiian style cooking classes. I was able to travel around the world. I got to enjoy food and culture, and I took that along with my 39 years in the food and beverage industry, and now in my lovely home, I'm able to invite people to get a little taste of the culture of Hawaii. I thought it was going to be maybe once or twice a week, but it went from that for about 2 months to 10 classes a week. My classes are 100% hands-on. You guys are preparing everything tonight. Everybody gets their own cooking stations. We do it from start to finish. I will be explaining the history behind all of the dishes that we're preparing, and then you get to sit down with a glass of beer and wine and really enjoy each other's company and the meal that you just prepared together. Everyone wants to know about bacon. I'm talking about my pet pig. Many other classes are booked here. It's about an experience. Everybody is welcome. Eko momai and mahalo.